Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make homemade milk powder at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredient, you're going to need 1 liter of milk and 3 tablespoons of sugar. So the first step, start by pouring the milk in a pot and let it boil on a medium-low heat slowly by slowly. When the milk is boiling and starting rising up like this, make sure you stir constantly to avoid the milk from spilling over the pot. Let the milk to continue boiling while you stir constantly till the milk becomes thick. The mixture of the milk has to be thick like this and remove from the fire and place aside. Once you remove the mixture from the fire, the mixture tends to become solid like this and spread it on a plate to become more solid. After 2 to 3 hours, remove from the plate and cut it into small pieces so it can be easier and faster to dry. If you're in hot countries, I will really recommend you to dry it directly to the sun. But if you're in cold countries, you're going to put it in the oven at 100 degrees for 20 minutes till completely dry. After 20 minutes, our milk powder has to be solid and crunchy like this, and it's high time to blend them into powdery. Then put the milk particles in a blender. My blender is too small, but if you have a big blender, it will be better. Then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, which I said it in the beginning. I couldn't able to record it because my video paused a bit. Then you're going to blend it into a fine powdery consistency. And this is how our milk powder will look like after blending it. And our homemade milk powder is ready, as you can see in the video. Store the milk powder in a container so that the milk powder can stay for a long time. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.